Use the synthetic division and the remainder theorem to find the indicated function value. So he wants the value, right? To get the value, he's telling you how much is x, right? How much is x here?
5.
So x is equal how much?
5.
5. That's what he's telling you. So I'm going to replace, every time I see x, I replace it with what? 5. Open the door, open the door. It doesn't open. Alexa. So 5 to the power of 4, how much? 5 times 5, how much? 25. 25 times 20 times 25. I think 225, right?
125.
No, 225. Well, 625. Do the long division multiplication. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2, 10, 12. 2 times 5, 5. 5 and 2. 2 times 2, 4. Right? 2 times 5 is 50. 2 times 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2, 4 plus 5. Right? So 5, 25. Correct? So this
625.
625. Yes. 625. Plus this also 625. Plus 25 times 7. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 2, 14 plus 3, 17. So this 175. 8 times 5, 40 minus 3. So what would be the final answer? What would be the final answer? 1382. Easy? Just replace how much is x. Okay? Next question. Fill in the blank so the statement is true. I have a square minus b plus 1 all squared. This is different of what? Different of what squared, right?
الجواب دكتور 1373.
Are you sure?
625 زائد 625 زائد سوري.
So this is different of what?
Squares.
Of squares. So here, remember this is a square here. So we're going to have to put the parentheses here. Yani from each type, from the same type, we place it in here. One time is positive and one time is what? Negative. Okay? That's it. So just write it down here. Factor any perfect square trinomial. So first, this is x to the power 4. Let's make it easy for us. So let's make it, let's say it's x square. Let's say x square, let's x square equal a. So here I have x square squared, right? Minus 6x squared plus 9. I can replace x squared by how much? By a. So it's going to be a squared minus 6a squared plus 9. I'm sorry, not a squared, just a, right? So I need to factor this. Can you factor this? A squared minus 6a plus 9. Who can factor this? Who can tell me? A, correct.
2, 3.
No. 9 is what by what? 3, 3. Negative, negative. So that's mean a minus 3. How many of this? 1 or 2? 2. 2 of it, right?
Yes.
Now, what is a at the beginning from here? X squared. So you're going to put x squared minus 3 all squared. That's your final answer. Where do we put final answer? Put it here. Easy as easy? Next question? Sure. Last question? Last question. Okay, read the question, please. Read the question.
Fill in each blank so that resulting statement is true. A rational expression whose numerator or denominator or both contains rational expressions is called an rational expression or an fraction.
It's called a complex. So we're going to say it's called a complex rational expression or a complex fraction. So that's the answer for the last complex. So you're going to say it's called complex rational. Like something like this: A over B over C over D. So you have here, this is together called complex, right? Complex what?
So both of them complex?
Rational. Or you can say complex what? Fraction. Both of them same meaning. So here, complex fraction. Okay? So I think this is the last question. Open by my MATLAB now and do the practice. Now. Yeah. Remember, I put 100 question, and the exam takes from the 100 question the bank. So you'll not get the same question. Okay?